if you are somebody who is looking for a second home in the mountains, or maybe you want maintenance-free lock-and-live lifestyle here in Asheville, North Carolina, and you want to be super close to all kinds of amenities, to all the shopping, all the dining, downtown, just minutes away, you want something new, and you want mountain views, Reynolds Mountain in North Asheville is where it's at. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you Reynolds Mountain newest project that just sprung up, and it is curated and constructed by local, well-known builder, well-known for its quality and products, located right there up on top of the mountain, just minutes from this beautiful lake. And so Reynolds Mountain, one of the top communities here in North Asheville, sits on top of a mountain and sits on top of, or sort of on top of, Reynolds Village, where I am right now. And Reynolds Village is nothing but a collection of all kinds of places, people who live here, who live in Reynolds Mountain or nearby. Even us from South Asheville, we come here sometimes. Restaurants, YMCA, other places, other businesses, a ton of other places where people can come and enjoy. I come to this place, there's a Slavic lady who does amazing facial massages. And of course, my favorite place in Reynolds Village is Asheville Cryotherapy, where you're gonna come and enjoy all kinds of wellness tools and wellness services that they offer here. This is not non-sponsored plug-in because I loved this place, we enjoyed it. And Jason, thank you. Thank you for letting us stop by here. If you are looking for all kinds of services from cryotherapy to red light therapy, what else?
Infrared sauna and compression therapy.
And so today I am at Reynolds Mountain Village, a newest project by a local builder. And we are meeting with my colleague, Alec Cantley with Premier Sotheby's, who's gonna give us a little tour of this new project.
Welcome.
Hello.
Glad to see you.
Yes, thank you.
Come on in.
Asheville is going through its heat wave, so it's so nice to be inside and enjoy beautiful views from the inside.
Absolutely.
And so tell us a little bit about this project by Buchanan Construction.
Yes, so Reynolds Mountain Villas is a phenomenal new project here in North Asheville. We obviously are in a great location just above Reynolds Village, so you have great amenities down below. We're 15-ish minutes from downtown. The community is really split up into two sections. So we have the Summit Collection up top here. We're in a Laurel floor plan. And then we also have a Meadow Collection, which will be developed in the future down below. So in total, we've got 42 units between the two collections.
What's the difference between this level, and this level?
So very similar in terms of the designs and floor plan opportunities. The fit and finish of the Summit Collection, this will be a higher end fit and finish, but still a really nice product that we're developing down in the Meadow Collection below.
So the price point differs and probably the views.
That's right, that's right. So up here in the Summit Collection, these all have incredible panoramic views. We're looking out west over the French Broad River Valley. So you're gonna have epic sunsets. Price point up here, these start at $1,150,000 and go up to $1,500,000, $1,600,000, depending on if they're connected. We do have two freestanding units. And then down below in the Meadow Collection, those are gonna start at $895,000.
Any options for upgrades in terms of finishes?
Absolutely. So depending on where the particular unit is, buyers will be able to come in and fully customize. So some of our units down in the Meadow Collection, for example, you can come in, pick your flooring, pick your countertops, cabinets, the whole deal.
The colors.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. So this particular unit we're in, this is heavily upgraded unit. There's a lot of nice detail, the beams in the ceiling here in the kitchen. We have the extra thick island with these beautiful quartz countertops.
Two-tone.
Yeah, I love the two-tone. I love the forest green, very, very mountain feel to it. We did a feature wall in here as well, which is a really nice touch. So there's a lot of ways for buyers to come in and really make it their own.
And just like I said in the beginning, if you are somebody who is looking for that mountain retreat with long range mountain views, this is your shot right there. Long range mountain views from your balcony right here. I know a lot of people are also looking for second home that will provide that one level living or main level living, which is exactly what this is.
That's right.
Main level living, primary bedroom, everything here, garage, by the way, oversized one-car garage that you do not see very often. I was actually shocked. So spacious. And then 2 more bedrooms down
below.
below.
So these are really designed for that lock and leave living. If you're looking for something that you're going to be able to come in, enjoy as a second home, if this is coming to get out of the heat, it's a great option for that. As Elena mentioned, we have the primary suite on main. So everything here is on the main level: laundry, garage, kitchen, all 0 entry, 1 level living. But then you have a ton of space down below here to expand with 2 guest bedrooms and a nice family room downstairs.
And if you come in winter, you know, in Florida, for example, which we have a lot of people from Florida moving here for second homes, everyone needs a pool. We do not need a pool here. We have waterfalls and all that kind of stuff. You do need a fireplace, and you have one here. You can sit right here, very nice and cozy, and enjoy your fireplace and enjoy the views. I love how the floor plan flows in a way where you still have those mountain views from your primary bedroom.
Absolutely. Yeah, that was a huge part of the design here, is we really wanted to showcase the views, but still have a primary bedroom with a lot of volume. This has a great ceiling, almost a double height vaulted ceiling in here. Nice walk-in closet that's all built out, and then a beautiful primary bath with double vanities and a walk-in tile shower.
Okay. What kind of, incentives maybe a developer or builder / seller offers, if any?
It's a great question. At the time, the developer is offering a rate buy down. So for qualified buyers, you can get a rate as low as 4.99%, which is obviously huge. If that's not something of interest, if it's a cash buyer, there are some designer incentives.
Okay.
So we can do some things, do some upgrades, do options there. So yeah, really great time to take advantage of Reynolds Mountain Village.
All right.
So down here you have a ton of space, multiple bedroom options, and then love the family room as well.
Oh, family room, that's nice.
Really good flex space.
Yeah, and you still have mountain views from here.
Still have the views.
So even though it's a lower level, it's kind of like a walkout basement, daylight basement. Doesn't feel like a basement at all.
No.
Nice bathroom.
Great
there.
natural light. 2 full baths, 2 bedrooms, so plenty of space to expand down here when you have family and friends in town.
So let's go and look at the other 2 units. One is under contract, you mentioned, but the other one is available. And I bet you it's got some nice views because it's even higher from the top. So unlike the previous unit, this one is a 2-car garage, I noticed.
Yes, so our poplar plan is 2,150 square feet, spread over 3 levels with the 2-car garage. We do have an option for an elevator here. So there is an elevator shaft that is pre-framed, ready to go. Here on the main level, you have this beautiful open foyer. The developer also wanted to have a half bath. So if you're a car guy, if we know any car guys, you're working on your cars, you're hanging out in your garage, you have a half bath here, which is really nice for easy access.
Little coat closet.
Coat closet there, big storage space off the back. So really nice welcoming entry here in the poplar.
Let's go upstairs. I cannot wait to see the view.
All right, so as we get up here on the 2nd floor, this is going to be the main level of the house. You have a phenomenal guest suite here. This is all your big open common living. Beautiful kitchen will be tucked around here with a peninsula island. You have dining and living. And of course, all of it leads out to this incredible outdoor living space. That's the biggest difference between these units, is you have 2 levels of deck space here. So you've got plenty of space to just soak in the views and really enjoy the outdoors here in Western North Carolina. So now we're on the top floor. This is where you've got your primary suite, naturally, because it has the best views. We have a great little bedroom here. This could be an awesome office. It is en suite. Laundry is here, but I really want to get to this primary and showcase these views. So beautiful big walk-in bathroom.
This is huge.
Huge, gorgeous tile detail. Big walk-in tile shower. You have your walk-in closet here, and then this space is incredible. This is your primary bedroom, great ceiling height with the vault, tons of natural light, and your own private
drum
deck.
roll. All right. You can see the Reynolds Village down below. That's where you can maybe walk or jog or go for walk with your dog. There's a ton of places to go to, from physical therapy to wellness places to, I don't know, eyelash extension to restaurants to a gym, full-blown gym down there somewhere. Like all kinds of stuff, all kinds of stuff. It's very similar to Biltmore Park, but it has views. If you are somebody who is looking for lock and leave lifestyle, maybe you're looking for a second home and you don't want to worry about the exterior, yard maintenance, you just want to come, bring your toothbrush, put it in, be able to walk to all kinds of places, short drive to all kinds of shopping and dining on Merriman Avenue, walk around Beaver Lake, that's just probably 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah.
From here, you want the views, you want easy living. This seems to be the place, and it's pretty much the only project in Asheville that is brand new, has the views, has the amenities, proximity, and I think that's the only place we have here in town.
It's very unique.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very unique in what it offers, the amenities it offers, the proximity. Buchanan Construction is doing a phenomenal job, very high level fit and finish. And so it's a fantastic project. As Elena said, if you want easy lock and leave living, all your exterior maintenance is included in the monthly HOA fee, landscaping is included, the amenities with the dog park and the trails. And so it's just a really unique lifestyle here in Asheville.
Well, thank you so much for the tour.
Of course, thank you for coming.